this December. Overpopulation, climate changing, and there's plastic in the water. But I wanna build a castle together, dance in the rain and wake up whenever, live in a bubble forever and ever with you. Disconnection, dating apps, and dopamine and microdoses. I heard we're close to Armageddon, Great Depression every Thursday. But I wanna plant some pumpkins and lettuce, make little babies, knit them little sweaters, safe in a bubble forever and ever with you. Outside my window the sky's falling down, but inside the castle I'm up in the clouds. We only ever get perfect weather when we're together forever and ever. Heard the world is ending in an hour, so we'll make some breakfast and some coffee and we'll plan the afternoon.